Hey everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Well, it's another beautiful day here in North Carolina. It's hot, sweat pouring off of me already. Hadn't been at it 10 minutes. In the 1086, came down the donkey pasture. I need to move the disc plow out of here so I can mow this pasture. But the biggest thing that is going on in this video is we finally got in touch with a local agency. They got back in touch with us. We've come to some kind of mutual agreement after all the meetings and whatnot, and the work on the bottom land is supposed to start Monday. Today is Friday, June 11th. I'm not sure when you'll be watching this, but hopefully they'll get started on it. So there was some material moved and misused, for lack of better words, that has to be replaced. Me and my dad are going to bush hog an area out for that, and I'm just going to kind of mow over some of this down here where the grass has grown up. So we need to get the disc plow out of the field here and get it moved over there closer to the big disc where the grass doesn't grow, and then run back up there and get hooked up to the big bush hog, hopefully, and still have enough time to do what we need to do. So let's get started with that. And I'm going to show a little clip of the disc plow just for any of the new subscribers that hadn't watched the older videos. Just a little short update on it, and we'll go from there. Okay, real short and sweet. This is my disc plow. I've got several videos on this of converting it from mechanical over to hydraulic, building all the brackets, doing everything, running the hoses. Had to build the hitch for it, did that. Worked on this quite a bit throughout the winter. It was probably the first big project I did on the channel. Had to redo all the tires and everything, and we brought it down here and I used it, and I got really aggravated with it. The adjustment's way out and it was way too wet for me to be doing it. Didn't do what I wanted it to do right off the bat. So I kind of just got aggravated with it, and here's where it's been sitting since. But I've talked to several subscribers that have given me plenty of insight on it, and it's just one of those things that slipped by the wayside when the warm weather came, and I knew I wasn't going to be able to put any crops in the ground this year. So we're just going to move it right now over, like I said, closer to where the big disc is, and get it out of here so I can mow this field, and we'll see what else we can get into. Well, I know all you guys know it firsthand, but I'm gonna tell you what, when it's 90-some degrees in North Carolina humidity, trying to hook and unhook a piece of equipment by yourself that goes on a drawbar is near a nightmare. I am soaking wet and hadn't even got started bush hogging yet. But we got it on there. Let's go see what we can do. Well, for those of you who don't have air conditioning like me, I was able to get one of my side doors off, so I guess what would that be considered? Maybe 105 air instead of 205 air. I got one completely open, one still on. Okay, everybody, I believe we'll wrap this one up for today. Just a little bit more bush hogging, maintaining. The main reason for today's adventure is, like I said earlier, clip, the local agency is supposed to be coming back and repairing this mess they left. So I want to get everything knocked down again and mowed, and a couple spots where some material needs to go. So that's what we did. Me and my dad both was able to get most of it knocked out. A couple different camera angles today. Can't give it so much of bush hogging it gets old, but 1086 did good again, so pleased with that. I'm hot and tired and sweaty, and I believe we're going to call it a day. So thank you everybody for watching. Please consider subscribing if you hadn't already. Hit the thumbs up button if you like what you see. Thumbs down, I understand it's not for everybody. Share the video, get it out there. Might be somebody else interested in a little bit of this stuff I'm doing here at the farm. Just thank you all. Thank you to all the ones that are following along this journey with me. Day to day it changes, and this is not what I had planned to do today, but got the phone call and need to make provisions, so that's what we did. Until next time, thank you.